Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also unbox the latest iClever smart plug socket, which is wirelessly controlled. Now this is also going to be controlled by Amazon Alexa or Google Home. By the way, this is also waterproof, so you can see the box is really nicely designed. Once we open it, the components that are part of it is the smart plug socket. Also comes with a user manual, and the user manual just shows you how you can connect it with the app on your device, also how you can control it. That will also going to show you how you can connect this to your Amazon Alexa and also to your Google Home Assistants. So this way you're going to wirelessly with your voice going to turn it on or turn it off. You can see it also comes with a little warranty card. So going back into the iClever smart plug, it is nicely designed. It has a really cool looking solid look to it, and also when you see on the top you do have the button so you can automatically just turn it on and off. It has the indicator right on the top. Going around it you have two plugs. Yes, you have one and two, and on top of that you can control each one separately or both of them together. And going around there's not much there, but again the wire on this is very thick. You can see it right now, and also the power connection is created for Canada and United States. So the Wi-Fi frequency on this to connect it does require 2.4G, and also going to the power out of this is AC 125 volt, which is around 16 amps. Again, there's two of them, that's why there's 16 amps. The maximum power in this goes up to 2000 watts. And the best part is that the app is very easy to get. So on their user manual, there is a little app that you can scan, and directly it will tell you to download the app. And once you got that, you have to press the button on top of the device itself a couple of seconds, and it will go into start blinking in few colors. And then you're going to go and select your outlet. After that, you click on to find it. Once you go next, they will ask you for your Wi-Fi password, and once you do that too, roughly around 20 seconds to connect it. And you can see right now it's just running, and once it's connected they will ask you to leave the name as the same as the model number, or you can rename it. So I have renamed it to outside. And once that is done, you can go inside of it and you're going to see two connection, and they are on top of each other, so you can connect either one, and you can click on or off. As you can see right now, we just connected our lamp to this, and we're going to put two different colors to it. You can see that it's nicely working, and once we switch it to the second plug, same thing, same way that you can turn it on and off. It works like charm. Remember that this is waterproof, so it does not have to put it inside of a pool, but if it's outside and it's raining, it is still safe. And do not open it if does something go wrong. Again, for the meantime, I haven't came across any problems yet. It works like crazy good, and I'm going to use this for regular basis. So this is good for outside and also inside. Again, you can control it through your phone or to your Google Assistants or Alexa. That's the plus sign with this. I would recommend everybody to get one of these. Links will be at the bottom of this video where you can order this from and get more information from the official website. So that way you can use it. It is inexpensive. If you like our video, click the like button. If you haven't done that yet, it motivates us to make more videos like this. And also, if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button. Share this with your friends. Doesn't matter if you're using Facebook, Snapchat. So that way everybody going to be aware of our channel, and let them know to subscribe to us. It really helps us out, and thank you.